guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janai Cinnamon here with another video. Today I want to show you all how I just do a quick natural look. I only have on a couple of makeup products. I kind of wanted to keep it very simple and just show you guys what my natural routine is when I just want to put on a little face. Nothing too deep, nothing too heavy, because you know it's summertime and it's really hot. But luckily it's summertime, it's almost over. So this is kind of the face that I do when I want to just kind of look natural. And then also I show you how I style and lay my wig down as well. And if you want to see how I got this natural face and cute little wig that I made and styled and laid on my head, then keep on watching.
Okay guys, so first I am just brushing out my hair and I want to make sure it's as flat as possible, and then I'm going in with some concealer to make sure that my part looks as natural as possible, because of course that's not cute when you can see it, and you know, y'all know what I mean. So I'm just making sure that concealer is blended in and bringing it kind of forward, just because I want to make sure that when I do my baby hairs, like right now, I still want my part to look as natural as possible. So I'm taking my Got to Be Glued gel, and I am laying down my baby's hair, laying down my baby hair and making sure that it looks nice and sleek. That way it can look also as natural as possible, because you don't want your wig to look like it's a wig. You want it to look like it belongs on your head. So here I am just making sure that my edges are set, and then I'm going to move on to my face. First, I'm going to start on my brows. I'm using the Kiss Professionals brow kit that I purchased from the hair store. I love this kit because it's just so easy. It has all the tools that you need, and the powder, whatever that stuff is, it blends right into my brows. So I'm not going to speak during this time because everybody knows what you do during your brows, but I am going to line them and then fill them and then get them cleaned up with the black Radiance contour palette. I'm going to use that concealer that's in the middle called Sculpt, I guess, or it just says Sculpt. That's what I'm going to use. So next I am taking my moisturizer and just dotting it in areas that I feel need a little extra moisture. I don't really put too much heavy things or creams on my face because my face is already oily, and for some reason when I start putting things on my face, I start getting pimples and all type of stuff. So I try to keep it as light as possible. So next I am taking this black Radiance cream contour palette, and I am using that middle color like I used on my brows earlier that says Sculpt, and I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes, kind of letting it blend into my skin. I'm putting it on my eyelids and underneath my eyes where I see dark areas. So that's over my eyelids, underneath my eyes, and then around my mouth as well, because it's a little darker there. almost like I got a mustache. But no, that's where I put the cream contour at around my mouth, and then I'm going to blend it in to make it look, of course, the point of this video, as natural as possible. Blended in, I go ahead and move on to my eyelashes, and pretty much this is a natural look. So I am taking is my Marc Jacobs mascara and applying it to my eyelashes. That is pretty much it. I love this mascara. Like, this is probably one of my favorite mascaras, and I think I got this in a either Sephora Playbox subscription box or a Ipsy subscription box, one of them. But I love this mascara. This is my go-to mascara. It makes my eyelashes look so full, and I just love them. Just love this mascara. And then next I am taking this highlighter. It's like a baked highlighter. I think the brand is DLS. I'm not for sure, but I'll definitely put it in the description box. And I'm just taking this and putting it in certain areas that I want my face to look naturally glowy. And here I am taking off my scarf, and my edges have been set, and I'm just pretty much going to touch up areas that need to be straightened on this wig. To let you guys know, I've done so much to this wig. This is the final style. Actually, I finally cut it. This is the Celie hair that I purchased from Aliexpress. I've taken it off of several wig caps, curled it, dyed it, but I finally decided to keep it this color, and then I cut it into this kind of swing bob look. I love it. I love this wig so much. This has like been my go-to wig this summer, so I figured this natural look goes well with this wig, and this wig even goes good with glammed up looks too. So here I am. Here's the final results. I do hope you guys enjoyed this natural looking video. I try to make my makeup look as natural as possible. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and then hit the bell button so you'll never miss when I post a video. And then also give this video a thumbs up, and comment and let me know that you liked it, or let me know any other videos you want to see. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.